this project, you'll need a wreath wire, a hot glue gun, some floral wire, I'm using the 26 gauge, and a whole bunch of felt in assorted colors. The first thing I did was cut the floral wire into strips of about 3 to 4 inches. It doesn't really matter if they're all identical or not, and also you're gonna just want to keep doing this until you feel like you can't do it anymore, because you're gonna need a lot of them. I used the Cricut to cut out my leaf shapes, but you can always make a template and cut them out with scissors. You're going to use the hot glue gun to attach the floral wire as a stem to the felt cutouts. Now, the bigger you make your leaves, the less you'll need. I made mine kind of on the smaller side, so this part was a bit time consuming, so make sure you put on a show on Netflix or a YouTube video because you might be doing this for a while. You'll want to assemble them in bunches, so take 3 colors and then push them together like this, and take the middle piece of wire and tie it around tight. Tie 3 of the bunches together, so that way it's a lot easier to assemble on the wreath wire. You can also make bunches of 2 for some visual variety, but I found that when I assembled them all on the wreath wire, there were some empty spots, so if I could do it again, I would go in with 3 bunches of 3. And once you've got all of your bunches assembled, you're just going to tie them onto the wreath wire. Is my completed wreath. I went a little heavy on the back with hot glue because I didn't want them sliding all around. And because I did that, I decided just to cover the back with some felt so you didn't see the glue. And that's it. It's super easy. It just takes a little bit of patience, but the end product looks really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.